welcome back, everyone. Another day, another day, and another 1 hour episode of Build Break and Fix. I'm sorry, Zen. I'm hearing a bit of echo from your side. Can you hear me, Zen?
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. I'm getting a bit of echo from your side.
I think these headsets they're on low batteries, so they turn on by themselves,
Oh
and
yeah,
then they
yeah.
turn off, turn on again. And
That's all
then
good.
what you're hearing is the MacBook, as in
Oh,
the echoing from
yes.
the. But anyway, yeah,
Yeah,
continue, please.
yeah,
I
yeah.
just interrupted.
Yeah. I think that's pretty much resolved now. But getting back to if you guys are new here, we are road coders. We are working on a project which adds persistent storage to the current open source project called Scrumble.ca. We stream every night from 9:30 p.m. So if you wanna tag along and join us and give us a bit of suggestions or just be a part of what we are doing, join us every night, including the weekends on at 9:30 Melbourne time on YouTube and Twitch. So yesterday we had someone as a guest who was Sam Nolan, who's the president of RMIT, and he gave us some good suggestions for the architecture, which we might want to go ahead and implement today. So yeah, how about we start with the backends in?
Yeah, that sounds good. Just focusing on this noise, as in my the
Yes,
headset keeps transferring the noise to the MacBook, and
hmm.
then it keeps on coming back again. So I'm just gonna
Yeah,
change
that's
the headset. Just
yeah, we can.
bear with me for a minute. I'll be right
Mm-hmm.
back.
Good, good. We'll wait for Zen until he comes back, and yeah. But if you guys have any questions on anything which we are doing or anything related to our stream, just shoot them in right now, and we can try answering them. But yeah, I guess today what we're planning to work on would be work on the post board name to return the board ID as soon as you post it in the response headers. So what we should try to aim to complete the backend changes tonight, and then see how it's interacting with the fetch API as well. All right, Zen's back. Hello, Zen. Can you hear us now?
Hello.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can't hear you, so I'll probably have to change my settings.
Yeah,
Hold on a sec.
yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
Are you able to hear me?
Right. Yeah, yeah, I'm able
Brilliant.
to hear you. Okay, this is
Perfect.
better.
Yeah,
I was
cool.
explaining the users that we're gonna change the post method in the backend to return the board ID, and we'll make the correlating changes in the fetch API as well. So I guess let's shoot up the backend and dive into it.
Brilliant. I'll just share my screen
Yeah.
really quickly. There we go. Okay, let's just zoom in a bit and workspace, Crumbler, and then code. Cool. Do that one. I'll quit this. How's your
Yeah.
day been, alright? Have you
Yeah.
Jesus
Pretty good.
hydrated? That's a
Yeah,
good
it's good timing.
reminder, Andre. I had it, but it was at the back. So
Yes, now we have hydrated.
now we have.
All
Brilliant.
right. Yeah. Sorry about that.
Was the yours? Okay. All right. Cool. So I'm gonna zoom in this Express app, and we're gonna be changing our um
Yep.
the URL to take board ID again instead of board name as how we fixed it.
Um,
Uh,
what we are trying to do right now would be changing the post method
yeah,
to still take in the board name but return the board ID as the response.
yeah, correct. So delete, don't care about that one at the moment. So the creatable method will take the
Board name,
um
which
board
is
name. Huh?
no, it's fine. Leave it like that. Yeah. You just need to go ahead and add the board ID in the response. That's all.
Okay, okay. Yeah, I'm with you now.
Yeah.
I'm with you.
Because board name is complete
So
ID. So
yeah, correct. Okay. So that's data here. Put says giving the data there, which is just inserting it. So what we need to do is
wait, right
um
now I think it displays all the boards when we post a board. Is it?
no, it just display hang on.
I'll just give it a
Actually,
try.
you must be right. Yeah, it gives us all the boards.
Yes. Let's see. I'm just posting a board.
Yeah, cool. Just make sure of that, cause to be honest, I can't remember on top of my head.
Yeah. Now making phase 7 and what's the issue? Oh yeah, it's post. Um, it's returning nothing.
Do we have anything? So how
Try.
so by it's returning nothing. It doesn't give us anything, does it?
Mm-hmm. Nothing.
But
There's
the
not.
board gets inserted, is it?
Yes. Yeah.
Right. Okay. So the board. So that's that. So I think what we probably need to do
Mm-hmm.
is so once this is done, then we don't want to send this.
No.
Comment this out. Actually, delete that. Don't need that anymore. And then what we're gonna do is we're just gonna get the board that's inserted.
Yep.
Ah, so we need to get the board ID as well, right?
Yeah.
Which would be from here, which we can already use it from there. Okay, cool. So this would be like um I'm
Oh,
just working out in my head.
yep. Mm, right. So the board you just inserted, um,
We need
we
the
just
ID of that one.
yeah, and isn't it there the board ID?
Yes,
Um,
but I'm
is it
thinking about how to as in start it, cause I don't really. I actually
on line
I
90 being assigned? So,
no no I'm not worried about the board ID. That's fine.
yeah.
So we just have to do board ID.
You do res.send. You have to you send it on the response.
Yeah. hmm
Um, I guess one thing which we do want to do is that Um. Oh yeah. Wait. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, I thought we need to send it as a JSON. We
I
can, but
think
this is fine. Or do you want to
I'll
try that?
send it to JSON in the first place because that's how we should do it in the first place.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is there, and I'm only sending it the board ID. Cool. And everything else is
Um.
fine.
The board ID is not in JSON format. That's just board ID. So you probably need to create a JSON object.
Why
You
do
want
we
to,
need to create a JSON object?
you want to
This
send
is
it a JSON,
already
right?
stringifying it. It's
Yeah.
already converting it to JSON here.
Yeah, but it's
By doing,
converting a string to JSON. Just a string.
yeah, so do you want the object itself?
I mean, if we can send it like that, then yeah, that's cool then. I didn't know we
Why
could.
do, well, I'm not entirely sure either, but I'm just gonna have to have a look. But according to my understanding, you're saying we should send it as a JSON object
Yeah, I'm. Are there any JSON texts for that matter?
because I don't think we should send it as a JSON object.
All right. Um.
We can just send it as a JSON, as in just a string,
All right. Okay. Yeah, let's do that.
because
Yeah.
all we need is that we need the string to pass
Uh-huh.
it on different methods in the
I.
middleware.
Yeah. I didn't know that you could send um as a string in JSON. So
Ah, okay. So maybe we can test it because from my instinct, it should work, but again, I might be wrong. So let's have
give
a
it a
look.
try. Yeah.
hmm All right, deployment. Ha.
I'm just seeing
What's it?
if there's anything in the code. Oh, Zen, could you put the res.send inside the try block? Yep.
There we go.
Okay.
Send board ID in return. Cool. Let's try this.
Hmm?
Send build. Right.
Nice.
I think 6 more days to my green screen, apparently.
That's still pretty good. I'm excited as well.
Y- Yeah, as in finally you can see me in this as in face to face here.
So what I'll do is I'll kind of design a thing in which like you could see your the like something on like the top here, just
Yeah,
the hair.
yeah. hmm
And
Yeah,
that'll be.
that'd be really cool.
Mhm.
Come on, guidance.
So I guess it's too early, but the merch is ready, guys. I think we have um, decided upon a design.
Yeah,
Um, mm, don't think so. We're gonna do a reveal today.
yeah. No.
Wanna set up the store and give it a final touch, but by the weekend it'll be there for sure.
hmm Yeah, maybe we can release the URL of the store and then surprise everyone.
Yeah, for sure.
hmm Okay, so this is being deployed to
Yep.
Sam. There we go. Okay, deploy this chainsaw.
Mhm.
Did you have a busy day?
Yes, for that matter, I did.
Mm-hmm.
Um, I was doing a project with
Mm-hmm.
Pygames,
Mm-hmm.
and I didn't know how to use Pygames.
Mm-hmm.
So then I was learning Pygames.
Ah, I see.
Yeah,
That's that's pretty interesting. I think
yeah.
one of my friend is also doing that, but he just reading books on top of books on top of books.
Oh, no, so even Paul is doing Pygames on his stream. So I had to do it for like a internship thingy.
Ah,
Um,
okay, right, right.
they sent like a spec sheet, and they were like, "Okay, do this by the weekend." I'm like, "Oh my god."
Yeah, yeah, right, right. Do you wanna test it on the front end now?
Yes. Oh yeah, I think I can just test it on Postman for that matter.
Oh
Uh,
yeah, yeah, I could do that as well.
oh, do you want to do that? Do you want me to do it?
We will have to give it a board name, which we can give it in the body, isn't it?
Yeah. I have my Postman open, so I'll just open mine.
Okay, cool.
All right. There you go. There you go. Raw Jasmine K8. And can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Righty.
Okay. Here we
Okay.
go. Cool.
Mhm.
So we're getting the board ID now.
And just want to
That's
confirm that
pretty
it's
good.
is it the same one or not?
Yeah, yeah, that's a good idea. So 455 it ends with E455.
Yeah. I'll just copy this. Boy. Oh wait. That's my bad. Wait, did I do K7? Huh?
Might as well do another one.
I'll just get all of them. Oh, yeah, I did K8. Pretty sure. Yeah. There you go. That's pretty good.
Are you
Alrighty.
sure you did a KA?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
Okay,
I'll,
cool.
do
No,
you want me to do it again? Do you want to test it?
no, no, that's fine.
All right.
I believe you.
Pretty. Okay.
Cool. So that's fine now.
Do you wanna? Oh no. I think you need to go back to the uh, get board method. Yes,
Mm-hmm.
get board method and change it by ID as well.
So get board method. So we need to change this one to be the ID.
Hmm.
Um, ID, board name, not board ID. What is it? This one, board ID. Ah, okay, now mine.
Yep. Yeah, you probably have to do it that way.
Yeah, because I don't really want to mess about with.
Hmm. For sure.
Uh, ID, yeah, ID, cool, cool. And then that goes there, board ID, and then board ID.
Hi, Sid 666. Did I say 36 or 2? Oh, yeah. Anyway.
Six triple six.
Yes. How you going?
I think this should be board ID
Which one?
now, isn't it? Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, I'm pretty sure it should be board
Hmm.
ID. In that case, this would be board ID as well, isn't it?
Which one? Yes. Yep. So Sid Triple Six is asking what we doing. So right now we are working on a project which relates to adding persistent storage to a current open source project which is called scrumler.ca. I'll paste the link to scrumler.ca on the chat.
Board ID, that one, that one. I'm not entirely sure if this is in that way or with uppercase.
You can just go up and check. It's on the top of the document.
No, as in the one that's coming from the, as in the params. I think it must be this one.
Yeah, I mean you can. Yeah, it's it.
See,
Yes, yeah, it's that one. I mean you
this one,
assign it.
isn't it?
You assign it yourself, right? Like look at line number 51. It's written as B small board ID.
Yeah, but this was already there, and that's already working. Anyway, I'll
Right.
take a chance and see what happens. If
Sure,
not, we
sure.
can always put it back.
Wait, what's the board ID in the top of the document? That's
Okay, and we probably shouldn't worry about these board IDs because
oh, these
the
are the local ones.
this
Yeah.
one is local. The ones
Hmm.
that I'm really curious about, if is the right one or not, is the one that's coming from the params,
Hmm.
as in coming from the request. Okay, I will do this that one. Why is because we have a board ID in the DynamoDB column, which is
Yeah.
called with uppercase. So I'll leave it as
Alrighty.
that
Yep.
and see what happens. Okay, cool. Let's do this.
So Sid Triple Six, if you're here, do you do software dev as well, or something along tech or any kind of stack?
Sam build. Cool.
Alrighty.
All
Is it
right,
just
cool.
uh,
Mhm.
is it being deploying faster?
Probably the same time, but we both and the viewers are having a really interesting conversation, so the time is just passing by really quickly.
Right. Now that's true. But like I swear it feels like the deployment time has decreased.
Actually, you must be right, because I did call on my internet company and told them,
Really?
and yeah, I did.
Wait, did you do a speed test after that?
Not really, but I
You should
think I
do
should, isn't it?
a speed test after, or maybe if you want to do it right now, whatever you're comfortable with.
Hang on. I'll run that in the background and
Yeah. I mean, if you really look at it for um, creating software or program, you don't need a lot of internet speed. It's just streaming,
hmm, hmm,
um, which really
yeah,
uh, is a lot speed focused. So,
yeah, yeah, true.
like if you're writing your code in your own pace in a coffee shop, then you're fine with like 1 MB per second as well.
Yeah, yeah, exactly. You don't need that much at all. Yeah,
Yeah.
if you're streaming, then you probably have to get up, go home, and then start
Mm,
streaming.
yeah, for sure.
Okay, let's have a look.
Alrighty. Andre
User
says
find
user.
online.
Yeah. What's on line?
User find on line 68. Ah, right. I think that's exactly what Paul actually told us as well.
Oh, really? Oh. Oh,
Find,
okay.
and I
Let's do that.
think we used it here. Let's see this one.
Yes. Yeah. Oh, yeah, I
Yeah,
remember.
which is,
Um,
hmm,
which is
mm-hmm.
giving like the first element.
Yeah, yeah, the first element.
Hmm.
All right,
All right, let's do
we
that.
should refactor it. I'm just gonna check if that
Yeah,
works first, and if it does,
I'll still give
then
it.
we would, huh?
I'll give it a go.
Cool.
The current deployment.
Yeah, cool. Okay,
That's pretty good
wait.
speed. I just realized
Mm-hmm.
that's like really good speed. I mean, it's better than it's really better than what you were getting. So I'm pretty sure you did get an upgrade somewhere at least.
Interesting. Mm-hmm. The download speed is 57 at the moment.
Yeah, because I remember last time we checked, it was like half of this.
Hmm. Yeah, true. That means that
Nice.
worked. Do you wanna test it now?
Yeah, sharing my
Postman
screen.
should already be up.
What are we testing? We are testing getting a board through board
Yeah.
ID.
Mm-hmm. Let's see if this works.
All right, that works.
Yeah. Cool. Perfect. So that's all right now. We'll move on to the next one.
Yep.
Actually, first, what I want to do is use the find over there.
Yeah.
Forget this one. Okay, cool. So how board items find and the boolean. So this always gets the first index, isn't it?
Yes, that's true.
So if
But
we need to
yep,
do
line
that,
68. 68.
60 current line 60. Okay. So if we need to do this, we would have to
You gotta have just
row table row. Ah,
inside items. You wanna wait. Sorry, inside
no, it
items.
can't be
Add the first element.
inside what?
Items.
Uh-huh.
Like literally exactly what we have done previously.
So find boolean.
Mm,
That's not right, I think.
no, no. How would you do it before? Can you check?
Because over there just we just wanted to get the items first index. That's all. Nothing else. But in the other part, which
Yep.
is this,
Yep.
we're actually looping through all the rows, as in all the boards. So
Right.
there must be somehow we can find that board ID through
Yeah.
find. I'm just
Um.
gonna Google that.
Yes. So I guess items is an array. Um.
Mm-hmm.
And inside items you have to do a find.
Yeah,
So
of course.
it'll be
But mhm. Uh-huh.
yeah. If it'll be like you get the first element of items, and then inside items you do a find for that board ID.
So you're saying in this way.
Hmm. And yeah, wait. How
This
will you
way?
match the board ID? Um, but how will we find the exact board?
Exactly my point. So that's where I'm a bit confused, but Andre must have a point. That's
Hmm.
why I said it. So I'm gonna do a bit of research and to see how to use
Yeah.
that in
Me
that
too.
context.
Hmm.
How to find a particular ID in an array using find find an object,
Oh,
but
so
huh.
you can do something like x.id. I'll send it to you. Or
Oh, right. Hang
yeah,
on. So
same
this
link.
is how. Right. I see. So what's x here then? X is probably just a
Board.
variable.
Yeah, for us it's the board.
Board dot board ID. Hang on. The find method returns the first value in an array. The, but we don't want the first value. We want okay, cool. Right. I see what it means. So basically, what we're gonna do is give as in x is such that the board ID
Yep.
equals this,
Yep.
and
That
we
exactly.
just get that.
Hmm.
Yay! Thank you, Sid666. If you're still here for your follow, really appreciate that.
Nice. Thank you so much. I
Find
have a
index.
feeling Noah said at
Huh?
uni. Could be
Huh?
that. I have a feeling I know a Sid at uni. It could be that.
Yeah, it must be him. Right, this one board ID map. This will return the array of objects. If you want to get an array of full properties, you can. No, I don't want that one. Okay, cool. So let's try this.
Yep.
Find
Fine.
and then
I think that
x
was find index, Zen. If you go
find
back on stack.
index. This one?
The one below it.
No, we don't want the index.
All right. Okay.
We
All right.
want the object that has
Mhm.
that particular ID.
Right. Yeah, that makes sense.
X dot. Would this be? Hang on. I'm
X would be board.
just thinking. Well, so if that's the case, table rows row. Okay, so that means it would have to be row, and then
Um, I
row.
don't think so. That's how we need to use it, Zen. Um, I think the whole purpose of doing this is to eliminate the for loop. Mm,
Right.
can we pair program if that's okay?
Yeah, for sure.
IT. It's been so long we did this.
Yeah, true. I think I've probably forgotten a bit.
Mhm.
Okay, how about if we do this? The
Yep.
array would be this
Yeah. So maybe
two.
uh, try writing like table rows dot items dot find board.
Yeah, that's yeah.
Like instead of X, we need the board.
Table rows dot items. Have I given you access already? Have a look.
But let's try it. Let's try it this way. It's fine. It's working out. Um,
Find.
yep.
So are you using this should be the board itself?
Mm-hmm. For wait, right now you need to
In
get the first element in the items first.
There we
Oh
go.
wait,
How about this?
never mind. We actually resolved that thingy, so that's not happening anymore. Yeah. So instead of X, you need to write board.
Why board? Oh, okay, because that's just a variable though. So this part can be x, y, m, x, whatever. So this is just a
And,
variable, I
and
think.
you have to do double equal to after this, or
Yeah,
yeah, till triple equal to for that
triple
matter.
equal. And what
Equal
I do would
ID
be this. Cool.
and assign this somewhere.
Assign was
It's a
somewhere.
it's a find method, so it's returning something. So store it somewhere.
Ah, okay. Uh, so this would be an object, isn't it?
Yes.
I'm just thinking.
Yep.
So this board is in that way. I'm not even sure if I'm doing it right.
Don't do it in that way because items inside, like everything inside the item is an object itself. So
Mhm. Yeah. So I guess let's try this and see
you
what
have
it
to
gives us.
eliminate the for loop.
I know. I know. I'm just
I thought you were telling me to do post. I'm like, wait, what?
no. I'm not. I was just thinking that wanna do a
Yeah, do that.
actually might as well not.
Yeah,
Um,
just comment 71 and 72 for now, I guess.
I can tell your thinking power and everything a lot faster than mine, to be honest.
Then again, it's just uni and uni pressure, so nothing really um that interesting in that sense.
Right, create a board. Yeah, board. Okay, we've got that. So now what we
Perhaps.
could do is um we need all of this code.
We need code from line number 73
Yes, sir.
already.
That one. Okay, board. But hang on a
Board,
minute.
uh,
What's the point of this if we are already getting the objects here? That's
that's
not
true. Yeah, maybe try sending it just directly sending the board. Um, you should have just wrote like, yeah, just board, res.send dot send board. Res 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 dot send board.
I think because I'm streaming and everything is a lot slower and it seems that I'm slacking a bit.
Could be, yeah.
Okay, cool. Here we go. Cool. Brilliant. Let's try this and see if this does any trick. But what I also want to do is
Yeah.
do a
Console.
console board here, so I know exactly what is being returned.
Answer says line 83. Board road of
Line 80. That that must be his joke.
wait, no. Road of board.
Robo. What? Rodo board. Board.
Oh,
85 now.
yeah, line 85. We're not using it.
We're
Oh,
not
yeah,
using
that's
this
why.
one. Ah,
Ah,
okay, cool. Right.
we left it in the middle.
Yeah. Okay, let's try this and see if this works.
Yeah.
Why did I do that?
It's really funny when you're trying to contact someone and they are texting you and you're speaking. And sometimes you don't get like what kind of thing they're trying to say. Like,
True, true. Bull coders. Line 83 bull coders.
if this YouTube channel fails, that's the name of our next YouTube channel.
Yeah.
Not road coders.
Bull coders.
Actually, should I send the design to Andre and ask his opinion? What do you say then?
Yeah, why not?
All
Go for it.
right, Andre, I'll send it to you on Slack. Just designed it. Alrighty. Okay, there you go, Andre. Now tell me how bad at I am designing.
You're definitely better than me, trust me. As in, if I was to do this, I would have gone that fussy that I would take at least 2 months
I
to
I
do.
sent this to my uni mate, right? Like,
Mm-hmm.
so they study graphic design, and it
Ah,
was like
right.
one. I just sent them once, and they told me like 100 mistakes in the design. I was like, okay, now you guys are being rude. You should stop.
I love their passion though. As in 100 mistakes.
Yep. Some are like too bright or not
Ah,
pointing.
okay. Right,
I'm like,
right, right. I see.
what do you want? Andre
All
says it
thing.
looks great.
Hmm?
Andre says it good looks great. Maybe the
Ah,
people. All right, Andre. Yeah, I'll note that suggestion. Um,
okay, cool. So let's try the getting that one and see if it's still working for us. Do you wanna do that on your end? Cause mine is still loading.
oh, really?
Yeah. Look at this.
We started like at the start of the stream.
Come on, man. I'm screen sharing and I don't have
Yeah.
a M1 Mac. I've got 2015 Mac.
All right.
Leave me alone.
I need to do a get.
Yeah, yeah. By ID.
Yep.
So it should give us that. If not, let's see why not.
Oh boy, internal server error.
Cool. So
502
that's
request didn't penetrate. So you might want to check CloudWatch.
Yeah, I'm just gonna go do that. Yay, it's up now.
Fine. Andre asks, "Where's your green screen?" Um, then
So, Andre, I've actually tracked the package and it says that it should be here, estimated 26th of August. So, 6 more days, I would say. I
yeah,
can
that is
I can
fine.
tell how popular is my green skin becoming. Yeah, me too. As in when next week, so at the moment I've got two cameras, one and then two here. But when that one comes, I would um put this one on, not this one, so I can see you
Oh,
guys
right.
face to face.
Yeah.
What about you, Kartik?
I
When's
mean,
yours
I
coming?
can't sure get a screen. I haven't ordered it yet, but I might just like go pick it up from somewhere if because the deliveries are taking a lot of time, as you saw in your case. So
Hmm.
yeah, I guess if I can get it at a good price somewhere nearby, I might just do like a click and collect thingy.
Or probably get a chart, a green chart for I don't know 99 cents and
I
and
mean,
stick it
not
back
a
on
bad
the
idea.
wall.
There's like I saw this YouTube video,
Uh-huh.
DIY green screen thingy,
Yeah.
and
Yeah. Yeah.
the
I
guy
know
made a
that.
green screen out of like $3. I was like,
Yeah.
whoa,
Hmm. But that's effort, man. It's too much effort.
hmm,
As
that's
in,
true.
get the chart, get the sellotape, and all that.
Yeah,
I mean, you, if you want to save money, you have to go for the pen. It's as simple as that, isn't it? Alright, which thing was that? I can just check it in my Hello World. Lambda was TTAZZ. Right, TT. Come on, TT. Oh, there we go.
what do we have in the console?
Let's have a look. We'll find out pretty soon.
Alrighty.
Right, unexpected end of input. Syntax error. Interesting. So it's a syntax error somewhere.
Nice. Oh,
Board
so the
data. We're
unexpected
not using
end of
that.
input.
Ah, right. I think I must have forgotten to close this somewhere. Yeah, I forgot.
Right.
Close this. Actually, did I? Yes, I did. Here we go. Ah, okay. Never mind. I'm learning. We always
Now
learn.
that I mean, it's good that it's an easy fix, so everyone's happy.
Oh, so you mean to say I'm not? It's not
Nah,
learning, huh?
I
I
mean,
know, man.
it's good that we
You,
didn't make a major mistake.
yeah, true, though, but I kind of agree with your instincts that I shouldn't be making this kind of mistakes now.
No, you're welcome to make mistakes. I mean, if you look at it, we have mostly been making these mistakes.
Yeah, yeah. I feel that's how the more mistakes we make, the more we learn and hence become a proficient dev, exactly like Andre.
Yeah, for sure.
Why are you laughing?
I'll
Huh?
I'll send you something on WhatsApp or anywhere. You need to look at
Right.
this.
Cool.
Andre sent this to me. Uh, I didn't see the B, Andre. I just saw it.
I can tell you must be really humorous.
Yeah, yeah, you need to look at this. Oh boy. Sorry, I just opened my WhatsApp. Just give me 1 second. Oh boy. Okay, there you
Okay, there we go. There we go. Yes. 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 I'm not gonna open the WhatsApp
go. Yeah,
up over there, so I'm just
yeah,
gonna have a look at my mobile.
don't know if you can tell the difference. I wasn't able to. Good difference then.
Just did. I just did.
That's
Ball coders. That was funny.
maybe we can give Andre Borcoder's t-shirt.
Yeah, yeah, that would be hilarious.
Which one would you like, Andre? Would you like Bor or Roar?
I watch ball coders every day to get bored. They are boring coders. If you fancy becoming bored, watch ball coders.
If you're having too much fun coding, then you should watch Borcoders.
Yeah. Okay, cool. So that's there. If you wanna have a look now, and I'll make
All
sure
right.
my cloud watch is there as well.
Right.
I wanna see it working as well. There we
It
go.
gave no error and it gave nothing in the return as well. Look at what I'm
Um,
please.
right. Let's have a look at that. Right. Oh, oh my goodness sake. Undefined. Right. So board ID is coming as undefined, as in the board is coming as undefined, which I am kind of getting a hint that this is not used in that way, or this would have to be board ID,
Just looking through an example.
because here we were using board ID, as in uppercase B, and that was working fine.
Oh yeah, you wanna
I'm
try
gonna
that?
try this and
How do you
see if that,
confirm that it's uppercase B?
huh?
Oh wait, I can confirm that in Postman, right? Can I?
So I think this is the column of the board. Uh, just confirm that in Postman, and
In Postman, it's B capital board.
yeah, cool. So B capital. It should be then. Cool. I'm gonna do that again.
With no hyphens or anything. No
Yeah,
underscores.
yeah. Come on. All right. Deleted that one and set build. Oh, oh, oh.
Someone's sleepy. It's fine.
Uh,
Tomorrow's Saturday, so you can have your day.
I've actually got a bit too much planned for tomorrow. So
Right.
yeah, it's gonna be a busy day.
I feel like for me, weekdays are easy and weekends are way more busy. I don't know if you kind of get what I mean.
I get exactly what you mean. You know why?
Hmm.
Because you're a student.
Yeah, like weekdays, I know like uni is gonna be there and like I can just do my stuff, but on the weekend, I know like the weekends I need to catch up on stuff.
Hmm.
So weekends are way more
Exactly.
uh, hectic.
As in, I've been there, done that. So my third year
Yeah,
went as in having no life at all,
yeah.
and I could actually feel that 80% of my time was either in the library or at home
Hmm.
coding.
At least you get to go to a library. I mean, um,
True. Yeah.
I guess
Oops.
it's fine. I don't really mind being at home as well.
Hmm.
Um, like it's good to get out, but like I don't like how some people are like really anxious about the lockdown ending or getting out and meeting friends.
Yeah. Hmm. True though. As in, I think from this
What about
lockdown,
you?
I've actually learned how important is it to have, as in, to go out and meet people physically,
Mhm. For sure.
because it just gets a bit, I wouldn't say depressing, but thoughts, different thoughts come into your mind if you stay at home all day, all night.
Yeah, that's true. I'll send you one more thing.
He must have done something now. Huh?
No, he's just
Let's
he's just
let's
memeing
see
on
what it
us.
did. Huh?
He's memeing on us. Like he's literally memeing on us. I'm not even kidding.
Send it to me. Send it. I wanna have a look.
Hold on a sec. You'll see my WhatsApp notifications again if you can bear with that.
Just open it in your phone.
No, it's on my Slack on the computer.
So haven't you got Slack on the mobile as well?
I actually don't have DevCop logged in, just only DevCop, not logged in. Okay, there
Okay.
you
I like that. uh, I
go.
love Andre's creativity. Just love it.
Maybe you can
Uh,
create a
all right.
subreddit, road
Yeah.
coders me.
Yeah. True.
I'll give you go.
Do you want to test it now?
Doing it. I'll just share my screenies.
What's this?
What happened?
Nothing. I just opened the app.js in the browser and it gave me the page with the code itself. I was like, what am I thinking?
Okay, there we go. Cool.
There we go, perfect. So see, I've actually learned a really valuable lesson here, which I
Yeah,
want to actually share.
yeah,
That it's just incredible that how much code we had
yeah.
extra just which got took over by
That's
this
true.
one line of code.
Yeah. I guess we
Wow.
can do it in
Yeah.
other controllers as well as we go along.
Yeah.
But
Definitely.
for
So
now,
I'm
I guess we
gonna,
can call it night.
yeah,
What do you say?
call it tonight. Just gonna clean up a bit.
Yeah, yeah.
There we go. Don't need this either. Wow. Thanks, Andre, for that tip, mate. I learned a new thing today.
Yeah, for sure.
Try. Wow, look at that. How much code that we got rid of. Perfect.
There was a lot of
Yeah.
code though. Yeah.
Yeah, it was. Cool, guys. Thanks a lot for tuning in, Andre, Sid, and everyone else as well. Really appreciate that. And thanks a lot for the really valuable lesson tour of using finding on the array. Really surprised as in how much redundant code that we had. And yeah, have you got anything to add also, Kay?
No, I guess we can go ahead and use the find method in all the find functions, I guess, wherever
Yeah,
we are going ahead and finding anything in the array. I guess we'll
definitely.
eliminate all the for loops from the code at
Yeah.
some point.
Mm-hmm.
And I was actually looking at it. So find has like way better runtime complexity.
Mm.
So
I think that might be the reason why the app was deploying a lot faster.
not really.
I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Okay,
Yeah, I guess
cool. Hmm.
that's pretty good. And let's come back tomorrow and let's make the middleware work. So I get to go tomorrow.
That's phenomenal. Same
Cool.
time, same place, and a different task.
All right. Cheers. Good night.
Perfect, guys. Cheers. Have a good night. Bye.